Welcome back to Cout Podcast, your backstage pass to surviving and thriving in the fast-paced world of restaurant life. And today we're digging into something that can instantly lower your stress without even touching your breath, your workspace. Let's talk about how keeping your station organized can create some real peace of mind because yes, clean equals calm. You've probably heard the saying, messy station, messy mind. And it's true. When your tools are all over the place, your stress skyrockets and mistakes follow. Here are 3 quick, game-changing ways to bring order and relief to your workspace. Tip 1. Set it, don't forget it. Start your shift by setting up your station exactly how you need it. Knife? Wipe cloth? Ingredients in reach? A 3-minute setup saves 30 minutes of stress down the line. Your station is your zone. Own it. Tip 2. Make a mental map. Know where things are before you need them. Try using the same layout every day so your hands can work even when your brain is juggling 3 orders. Less searching equals more flowing. Tip 3. Clean as you go. This one's gold. Don't wait for closing time to start cleaning, wipe, clear, and reset in between tasks. Every small cleanup resets your head, too. It's not just about hygiene, it's about mental clarity. Bonus point, an organized station also shows your team you're reliable and in control, and that energy spreads. Stress isn't always about how much is going on, it's often about how prepared you are to handle it. And nothing prepares you better than a clean, efficient space. Try one of these tips today and notice the difference in your mood, your focus, and maybe even your speed. That's it for this episode of Cout Podcast. Stay sharp, stay tidy, and see you next time.